What happened?
I fell down.
Get back up.
How, Mommy?
Don't hurt Clay, okay?
No, I'm going to wait.
Lay down next to him. Sing him a song. He wants you to. What song, Clay?
Trees.
How about you sing Twinkle?
Trees, 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 trees. Trees, trees, big trees.
He sang too.
Yeah, trees and red trees.
Is he singing with you? Clay, sing. I see Clay.
How, Mommy? How?
Okay. Careful, careful. Climb up this way.
No, oh my God, that way.
Okay, lay next to him, but be gentle with him. Hey, I think you're sitting on him. That might hurt him. Here, want me to move him a little bit?
Yes. Move a little bit. Okay? Nice swimming.
Okay, now you lay down.
Trees. No gray, no have sticks. Okay? No have sticks.
He just was touching your face because he thinks it's pretty.
This room. That's great. How to say that?
Come back up, Mary Harper. We need to see you. Can you give your brother a kissy? Clay said he wanted a kiss from you.
Okay, I can see you.
Oh, look how much he liked that.
Okay.
He's getting you. He's getting you. He's getting you. I'ma get you, Clay. I'm gonna get you, Clay. I'm gonna get you. Mary Harper, one more kissy for your brother. Maybe you can tickle him, make him laugh. Aww, did he like it? He liked it, Mary Harper. Look at him. Oh, careful. Okay, sing him a song.
I go that way.
Okay. Can you sing him a song? Mary Harper, sing.
Yeah, and the gray, and Mommy, sing away, and singing away, says, and says,
The end.
Set. It happened. It happened.
Clay, spit up a little bit. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Starman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah.
Yes.